Stoned Chakra. Bitches.
Next up on Stoned Chakra Reacts, we got ourselves another request. Of course we do. People want to see what I think. Big shout out to the Discord.
Stoned Chakra. Bitches.
Become a member at stonechakra.com. We got a request for Jefferson Airplane. This one's called White Rabbit. White Rabbit. I'm a little deep into the reaction session and it's starting to get real, so I'm trying to get a lot done, so we're gonna keep going. Let's keep going. Oh shit, I've heard this. This is like another one of those songs. It's just like in so much shit that I've heard it. Just didn't know who did it, you know?
One pill makes you larger and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall, tell 'em a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you the call. Call Alice when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you just had some kind of mushroom and your mind is moving low, go ask Alice, I think she'll know. When logic and proportion have fallen slowly dead, and the white knight is talking backwards, and the red queen's off her head, remember what the dormouse said. Feed your head, feed your head.
Yeah, that has been used to like sell so many movies. Like I feel like I've heard that in more than a few movie trailers. Am I tripping on that? Here, we can always solve this problem.
Google it, bitch.
Always solve this problem. Make myself a little easy. Oh, they used it in the fucking the new Matrix movie that was not great. is is that the only one that's done it? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, here we go. Boom. The Game. 1997. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, or is this just somebody's cut? God damn it. Hey, look. Either way, it was in one trailer at least. God damn it. That's a win. That's a win for me. For being right. But the actual song, her singing is very like unique, but it also sounds a lot like Indian singing. Just the way like she does like these subtle like note changes at the end of her runs. Like little shit like that, where it gave it this tinge of Indian. But I don't know if that was something that like she listened to like Bollywood and picked up on that, or if that's just something that she developed on her own, which is also entirely possible. And the fucking that snare, that running snare the entire time, fucking great. Like, and then it really builds for a short song. The fact that it's like able to create this build and this momentum is crazy and admirable. All around, I fucks with the song. I did my dab. I liked it. Question is, did you like it? Did you enjoy Jefferson Airplane? More likely than not, you probably do since you're here. Or you fucks with your boy. You fucks with Stoned Chakra, and you're like, let's see what Stoned Chakra's looking at today. And you learned something. Either way, if you liked it, feel free to check out more from Jefferson Airplane. Check me out, Stoned Chakra, baby. Stop playing. Stop playing games. Like, subscribe, all the things. Do them.